Fast-growing markets such as robotics, virtual reality and especially drones were the main focus at this year's Consumer Electronics Show Asia in Shanghai, as investors and consumers alike take an interest in emerging technology. While taking pictures and video is the most common application, a growing ecosystem of drone software and hardware vendors is already catering to clients in fields like agriculture, land management, energy and construction.
The next couple of years, somewhere between 1 to 3, 4 years, I think we would see drone is going to be a junction between robotics, AR, and the drone itself, right? So maybe Internet of Things. What that means is that the drone would be capable of doing things for you, whether it's the movement or delivery or scaring a bird off of a farm for whatever it's going to be, or harvesting or using military, you would see the application of the drone.
According to some drone makers, the technology could transform the future of deliveries. Some e-commerce platforms are already testing it to deliver goods to people in less accessible rural areas. In July 2015, the Federal Aviation Administration approved the first such use of a drone within the United States to deliver medicine to a rural Virginia medical clinic.
What we're looking to do is we're looking to reach the countryside where there may not be very good infrastructure, there may not be roads to get the packages to the people, and so truck delivery is probably not a great option. So by using the drones, we can go over those areas and drop them directly into the villages and then have them distributed from there. People want to be careful about new technologies, particularly objects flying around. So in larger cities, it's largely banned, which is one of the reasons why we're looking at the rural areas.
Safety is a major issue and requires legislation, but the industry hasn't waited for government policy to pour investment into opening up the market. Cooperation is needed to rule the use of drones to avoid accidental collisions with planes, for instance. Drug cartels have also been known to use UAVs to transport their goods, and drones have been used to deliver items into prisons like drugs and cell phones.
Safety is at the core of these discussions about rules and regulations. We know technology can enhance safety just as it has with vehicles on the road. It will with drones as well. It is right now. One of those technologies, of course, is geofencing, or the ability to keep a drone flying in the areas where it should be flying and prevent it from flying where it shouldn't be flying.
Setting clear safety rules could also help open up the drone market.
When we look at drones in this emerging market, we know we need rules. We're integrating this new technology into the national airspace, and for that reason, to support safe integration in national airspace, we need a set of rules. Important for safety, but also important for certainty of the industry and its long-term planning and growth.
The Consumer Technology Association that runs the CES worldwide says it's looking at industry growth rates of around 150% year-on-year. The global market for commercial applications of drone technology, currently estimated at around 2 billion euros, is expected to rise to more than 110 billion euros by 2020.